In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use TextNow in India. So TextNow is only accessible from the USA and Canada. This means if you're not on vacation or living outside these countries, you'll need a way to appear as if you're in the USA or Canada to use your TextNow. A VPN allows you to connect to a server inside the USA or Canada, making it seem like you're accessing TextNow from those countries. For this video, we're going to use NordVPN, which has thousands of servers in the USA and Canada, features like double VPN and CyberSec for enhanced security. Easy to set up and use on multiple devices, also ensures reliable and fast internet connection. So all you have to do is to activate the VPN to a US or Canada location, and then head to the TextNow site, sign in with your Google or Facebook account, and then create a new account, select the number, and then you will have access to a free US number on the TextNow website. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.